Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here, this is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this TP-Link 300 Mbps mini wireless and USB adapter. The model number is TL-WN823N. So it supports 300 Mbps Wi-Fi, USB 2.0 and WPS button. And this costs less than RM14 ringgit. Now TPN says they are the #1 Wi-Fi products provider for 12 years. Get fast and reliable Wi-Fi anywhere. This comes with 3 years warranty, supports Windows, Mac, Linux, mini size USB. So what does it have? One button security. With a push of the WPS button, connect the TL-WN823N to the Wi-Fi network without typing a complex password and stay protected with a reliable security. It's smaller than a USB flash drive and enjoys stable N300 Wi-Fi whenever you need it. So it's up to 300 Mbps. So without further ado, let's open this up. Wow, it actually comes with a disc, which is not going to be used. And then this is the manual. Then this is the USB itself. Oh, interesting. Yeah, very small. Where's the button? I think I need to open this up. Glossy surface. Actually comes with a USB cap, and this is the WPS button. Yep. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.